Samsung is set to debut at least two next-gen foldable smartphones and two advanced smartwatches at the forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked event this July. Recent leaks have exposed the design of one smartwatch after a prototype surfaced in an eBay listing, drawing comparisons to the Galaxy Watch Ultra. A full month before the official announcement, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's design has emerged online. The listed prototype, priced at $22.50, features a bold 46mm silver chassis paired with a classic black stitched leather strap. The model number SML505U indicates this is an LTE-capable version built for the US market. The casing is noticeably thick, adopting a squircle frame reminiscent of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. It also retains the fan-favorite rotating bezel, though it appears unconventional in the listing photos. On the right, there are three tactile buttons, while a prominent speaker resides on the left. Uniquely, this variant lacks standard strap connectors, meaning older Galaxy Watch bands are incompatible. According to the listing, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic features an upgraded 64GB internal storage, doubling that of both the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra. Prior sources suggest the Galaxy Watch 8 series will retain the Exynos W1000 chipset used in past iterations. The device is expected to ship with Wear OS 6, enhanced by One UI 8 watch software. Other standout features include a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED circular screen with always-on display, sapphire crystal, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, dual-frequency GPS, NFC, and 10W wireless charging for optimized health and wellness tracking. We're offering our initial hands-on preview of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, highlighting numerous key upgrades. From the official nameplate, the watch flaunts Samsung's bold new design with the distinctive squircle shape leaked earlier. The elevated bezel appears to function rotationally, although that has not been officially confirmed. A notable spec from the packaging reveals a massive 64GB storage, quadruple that of last year's Ultra model. Additionally, the Watch 8 Classic utilizes the Galaxy Watch Ultra's proprietary strap system, requiring adapters for pin-based bands. It's shown paired with a leather band, presumably the default Samsung offering. Reports indicate Samsung may release just one Classic model this year, unlike prior lines which offered dual-size options. The Exynos chip is expected to return. With considerable hardware boosts, the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup is engineered for today's hyper-connected users. Hardware specs include LTE, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and upgraded Wi-Fi, enabling smooth connectivity across ecosystems. It supports 10W wireless charging via Samsung's EP-OL300 charger for faster top-ups. The 435 mAh battery features a smart battery protection mode that improves lifespan and efficiency. These features make the Watch 8 series a reliable everyday companion. Whether it's for fitness tracking, productivity, or staying connected, the watch delivers. Health features are central to the Galaxy Watch 8 series, with Samsung introducing cutting-edge sensors that vastly improve biometric accuracy. A highlight is the antioxidant index, analyzing beta-carotene levels to provide in-depth wellness insights. This sensor suite seamlessly integrates with Samsung Health, creating an all-in-one wellness hub. With a strong emphasis on preventative care, this lineup appeals to wellness-focused consumers. Whether tracking steps or getting holistic health insights, these advanced tools cater to a health-conscious market. The Watch 8 series debuts the new One UI 8 watch experience, delivering enhanced functionality and personalization. Key software upgrades include a simplified Now bar for intuitive navigation, a Shortcuts app for faster task access, and new dynamic watch faces for greater customization. Battery protection mode also helps extend device longevity. These software innovations aim to elevate everyday usability and engagement. The Galaxy Watch 8 series is scheduled for official launch in July 2025, supported by its recent appearance in the SEC database, confirming an imminent release. Samsung's strategy for this launch is to set new benchmarks in the smartwatch space with bold design, smart health features, and a seamless software ecosystem. The range is tailored to diverse users, covering style, utility, wellness, and interconnectivity. As the release nears, the Galaxy Watch 8 series is expected to reshape the wearable tech segment. With futuristic design and standout features, Samsung reaffirms its industry leadership. Battery life remains a vital aspect for smartwatch users, and Samsung addresses this across its Watch 8 models. First, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is expected to pack a larger battery, making it ideal for heavy-duty usage. Second, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic balances premium features and rotating bezel functionality, though it may slightly compromise battery size. Third, the standard Galaxy Watch 8 is projected to offer well-rounded battery performance for everyday users. These battery design strategies illustrate Samsung's focus on balancing form and function to match user lifestyles. Pricing strategy will also be a key factor in the Watch 8 series' success. Samsung is adopting a tiered pricing model to appeal across segments. The Galaxy Watch 8 will serve as the entry-level pick, ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want essentials at an accessible price. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will offer premium features at a mid-tier price point, catering to users wanting value and functionality. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, positioned as the premium choice, will target professionals and enthusiasts willing to invest in top-tier specs and innovation. This pricing approach could help Samsung grow its market presence in an increasingly competitive smartwatch space. Samsung has historically navigated between sleek and classic design aesthetics, and the Galaxy Watch 8 series maintains that tradition. The anticipated return of the rotating bezel reflects the brand's willingness to embrace past favorites while innovating for the future. This mix of nostalgia and novelty appeals to both loyal fans and new users. By blending iconic design elements with modern tech, Samsung strengthens its identity in a crowded wearables market. Certification leaks have further confirmed the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's impending release. These teasers not only stoke anticipation but also hint at Samsung's broader campaign to build momentum before launch. Expect trade-in offers and promotional deals aimed at encouraging upgrades. These tactics could make the new series more accessible while broadening adoption. Overall, Samsung's strategy underscores its ambition to maintain dominance in the wearables market. The Galaxy Watch 8 series reflects Samsung's commitment to addressing individual needs through targeted design and feature differentiation. Whether you're drawn to the nostalgic rotating bezel, long battery life, or premium ultra features, this collection has something for everyone. As the launch draws closer, the Galaxy Watch 8 line is shaping up to be a standout addition to Samsung's ecosystem. With innovation and user-centric engineering, Samsung is set to strengthen its leadership in the smartwatch space, delivering products that suit various lifestyles and priorities. Stay tuned, more updates to come. Thanks for reading, and catch you in the next article.